my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me?
This is so good. I love coffee. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I am so excited. I'm a very small YouTuber, the smallest possible out there, but someone really believed in me and I got my first PR box. I consider this a PR box right here, and I'm so excited to share these products with you. She is a beautiful lady and she creates all this vegan-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free products, and I can't wait to share them with you. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and let's get into it. The company name is called Red Apple Lipstick. Now, like I said, they're gluten-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. And I got this beautiful package from her, and I am so excited to share this with you. I'm gonna go in and dive into the first product. Look how beautiful the packaging is. It's beautiful green, and it says Red Apple right here. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Thank you so much, Ashley, for sending me this package. I really appreciate it. I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I am very happy and excited to open these products and check them out and try them on. I'm super excited. Thank you again. So the first product that I've got here, it is this beautiful brush. This is a vegan blush and bronzer brush, and it is very soft, nicely danced, very nice angle, so you can get into those cheekbones. And it has the company name right here, Red Apple, right here. And you guys can see right here, it also has the brush name, so you can use it for blush or bronzer. It is not very heavy but not very light. It is a super cute brush, and it reminds me of the Mora Royal and Langnickel. The only thing I see that it is a bit more smaller, but it is also very travel friendly, so I really don't mind the sizes as long as this does the job. And I really enjoy it, feeling it on my cheeks. It is very soft and adorable and cute, so I really like this brush. Now this vegan blush brush retails for $25. Let's go into the package and open the next one. Ooh, I wonder what this is. It's called the Sun Drop Bronzer. Let's see. So this is the Sun Drop Bronzer. It reminds me of a MAC packaging type of eyeshadow, and on the back it says Red Apple and the bronzer shade, which is called Sun Drop. It's a twister, so you twist this up, and this is what the product looks like. It's very cool tone brown. Ooh, I love it. You guys can see on my hand. Beautiful bronzer for my skin type. It doesn't have absolutely no smell. Again, it's vegan free, cruelty free. I'm excited to use it with this brush. Let's put some on right now. I know I have a lot. Let's put a little bit more, won't hurt. Ooh, you guys can see that it already intensified right there. And same here. Like I said, the brush feels very nice and soft, and it's very dense, so it distributes the product very nicely on the skin. I really enjoy it. Thank you, Ashley. This is another great product. Now, next product in here. Now, this is the gluten-free blush in the shade Koi. That's the packaging. So nice. It says Red Apple Blush, and it has a apple design on it. Now, let's open it up. Look at this beautiful color. I love it. It's so peachy. I love peach blushes. Now, this, again, it reminds me of MAC. Let's use the same brush. Then apply a little bit more on the cheeks, the nose. Again, it has no smell, which is good. And here is the blush, so you guys can see both the bronzer and the blush. I just love them. I love the colors and the pigment on them. It is beautiful. Now, next in here, we have another nicely packaged product in the green packaging with the Red Apple logo sticker on it. Ooh, look at this, guys. This is a lip brush, professional lip brush, Red Apple lipstick. As you guys can see, says right here, and again the brush right here, what it's used for. So you guys can use this for lipstick and apply lipstick and kind of make sure that all the lines are nicely diffused and there's no harsh line. Retails for $12. We have this beautiful sack right here. It says red apple lipstick. Okay, so it's this beautiful sack right here. You open it up. And let's grab the first product right here. It's this one, again packaged in this green packaging with the logo sticker on it. Ooh, look at this. Now this is the gluten-free lip gloss red apple lipstick. I love the packaging and the lime green. So let's open this up. Again, this is vegan, gluten-free, soy and nut-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and allergen-friendly. And this logo right here, it says, once you open it, it's good for 12 months. This, ooh, look at this. Mint to be, it says on it. So this is the lip gloss, what it looks like. I love the top. It is a matte top. It has a minty smell. It's not very strong. Right here, it is a beautiful neutral color, even though it looks very brown in the tube, and it's glossy. So let's add some to the lips. Look at this. I love this color. Thank you, Ashley. This is such a beautiful color, and it blends really nice with any type of lipstick you have on. As you can see, feels like a nice fresh mint breath. That's what it feels like. The tofu applicator is very soft on the lips. It is very easy to slide. I really enjoyed this product. Next in the sack, we have another lipstick, a gluten-free lipstick in the shade Barcelona. And this one retails for $25. Let's open it up. Again, the same beautiful packaging. Ooh, look at this. I love this design. So again, you guys can see it says red apple lipstick right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. And when you open it up, on the bottom it has the shade Barcelona right here, and this is the lipstick. So you guys can see. Wow, I love this peach color. It's a very nice warm tone color. I really like it, and I think it will go really good with the lip gloss on top as well. Doesn't have any smell. I really like the color, so pretty, and the logo red apple right here on the top of the lipstick. It is beautiful. I believe last product in here, it is the red apple lipstick waterproof lip formula in the shade blush, so that it matches the same lipstick that I got. And I love that this pencil is rounded on both sides, and at the top it has the color, so you know exactly what color you're getting. Ooh, look at this. So it comes out like this, and it is a twisting lip liner. Look at this. I'm gonna hold it like this so you guys can see. It's coming, it's coming. So there's the lip liner right here. Now I've noticed with the lip liner, you just kind of have to use it a little bit because it's brand new, and warm it up on the skin to make it a little bit more creamy. But yeah, I don't want to use it because the lipstick that I have right now is a purple lipstick, but this is a very good shade for the lipstick that I got. And this retails for $22.90, and it's in the shade blush. These are all the products I've got from Red Apple from Ashley, and they're all gluten-free, paraben-free, and vegan as well. I'm excited to get a blush and the bronzer. I'm excited for these products. The lip gloss is so gorgeous and wearable on top of any lipstick. I love the peach brown lipstick with the liner, and of course the brush that goes with it to apply it, and the beautiful bronzer blush brush. That's all I got. It's a beautiful PR package. Thank you so much, Ashley and Red Lipstick, for sending this to me. I really enjoy them and I really appreciate them. So again, if you guys enjoyed this video, my first PR unboxing, I'm excited. Please consider subscribing and give this video a big thumbs up. It will mean the world to me, and I will see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.
Oh my baby, got got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me?